The power cord passes through the strain reliever as it goes into the tool's handle. The strain reliever gives extra support to the cord, preventing it from kinking and rubbing against the handle. The strain reliever is made of rubber and will eventually harden and crack. Once it does, the cord is prone to kinking, or the wire insulation can be rubbed through. Replacing the strain reliever is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing one side of the motor housing. Now remove the two cord wires from the switch. Now remove the cord clamp. And that will release the cord from the housing. With the cord removed, I can remove the strain reliever. Now install the new strain reliever. Now attach the white wire from the cord next to the white wire from the motor. And the black cord wire next to the black motor wire. With everything reconnected, I'll insert the switch back into the housing, and I'll tuck the wires out of the way so they don't get pinched when we reinstall the housing. And I'll make sure that the strain reliever is sitting inside the housing. Now I can reinstall the cord clamp. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the housing. And that's all it takes to install a new strain reliever on your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.